I love her, but she snores when she's tired. I just wish I could do something about it.
I thought you were a dentist. Don't you think you could do something about it? Why not get her mouth scanned? Now that's an idea. Oh, now we can both have a decent night's sleep. As dentists are brilliant. Get your mouth scanned.
This product helps stop your partner ruining your night's sleep. If you want to avoid losing teeth later on, visit our free dental health service website. And if you'd like to support better health for everyone, please sign the petition.